Dear students, today we will learn a Chinese word zoo and the comparison of two words start with zoo. The first word is zūbùqdzī versus zūbùliăo. Zū means to hire or to rent out or to lease out or rent, etc. The sentence start with zū is 你要租个轿车 You want to rent a car? 我们有一间单人房间可以租 We have a single room for rent. zūbùqdzī versus zūbùliăo. Zūbùqdzī means can't afford to rent. Zūbùliăo means can't rent. Zūbùqdzī means can't afford to rent. Can't afford the rent because rents are too high or you just don't have enough money. The example sentence is 我在东京租不起这样的房子 I can't afford to rent a house like this in Tokyo. 租不了 means can't rent, don't want to rent it because of any reason. Its example sentence is 我租不了这个车 I can't rent this car.